Using skincare products is okay, and of course, I sell skincare products, so I highly encourage you to using them. But if you lack the understanding of everything that goes with the skincare products and of everything that goes before the skincare products, I don't think you are gonna see the results that you want to see in 2022. This video was inspired by a real conversation that I had with Sam. Sam is approximately 30 years old, and lately she has been feeling a little bit self-conscious about her oily skin and some acne breakouts that she's having, and this is what prompted her to start using skincare products. She has never used anything before. The first thing that Sam did was to walk into a store, Kiehl's in this case, and buy a bunch of products. She bought a cleanser, a toner, a serum, a moisturizer, and of course, on top of everything, an amazing eye cream. Let's just break down some basic concepts that you need to know together with using skincare products. The first one that no one tells you, especially when at Sephora no one tells you this, is that you have to be consistent, okay? So it really drives me nuts that they are willing to sell a skincare routine with 5-6 products to someone that has never used anything in her whole entire life. So the results of this is that probably Sam, she's gonna stick to this new complex skincare routine for top, I would say, a week. After a week, she won't see any result because, of course, it takes time. So she will stop she will stop doing her skincare routine. She's not gonna stop right away, probably, but maybe one day she's just gonna skip her morning routine, the next day her evening routine, and before she knows, she's not using anything. So results, end of the story, she just wasted a lot of money. So before you buy into skincare, you need to understand that, like I said, it takes consistency. So you won't see results for weeks. So because you won't see results for week, you will be lacking some motivation going throughout the process. Like the same happens with fitness, right? So this is why you gotta keep things simple at the beginning, because it's easier to stick with something that only takes you 2 minutes. Even if you don't see results, you can still do it. It's just easier compared to doing a complex skincare routine that you don't see results, plus it takes a lot of time. So this will be my first recommendation. Understand that it takes consistency, so start simple, okay? Then as you go, you can add new products if you see that this is something you really enjoy and it makes you feel good about yourself. Then definitely you can add as many as you want. But at the beginning, like I said, start with only a few. So, for example, our skincare starter set is a 3 products set that's perfect for everyone who has never used skincare products but has decided that it's time to do something for the skin. My second recommendation for you is this. It's better you don't use anything compared to using the wrong products. So the skin is an organ, and it's quite frankly, it is capable of repairing itself. Using the wrong skincare products can actually damage your skin. Conversely, not using any skincare products, your skin is not gonna improve, but also it's not gonna get worse. So this is why I think that it's really important that you understand your skin type and what you can or cannot use on your skin. In particular, since you know this video is for newbies, I want you to pay very close attention to the kind of cleanser you are using. This has to be a cleanser that is not aggressive. This is extremely important. I cannot stress this enough. Not damaging your skin sometimes is just as important as applying skincare products that benefit it. So pay attention to the cleanser you're using. Pay attention to the ingredients that you are applying to your skin. Do not apply anything that's irritant. Do not apply anything that has alcohol, okay? Do not apply anything with fragrances, dyes, or other irritant ingredients. If you don't know what irritant ingredients are, stick with this that I just mentioned. Alcohol, fragrances, essential oils, okay? Just by avoiding all this, you are already taking care of your skin. My third recommendation is still about ingredients. I want you to really make an effort to understand what ingredients are and what do they do. And I want you to develop the skill of being able to choose what ingredients to use based on the issue you are having. So for example, let's just set some standard rule that can give you, of course there are exceptions, but these golden rules will help you navigate the whole thing. If you have oily skin and acne breakouts, a fantastic ingredient for this that you can start is salicylic acid. If you want to get rid of wrinkle and build your anti-aging routine, an amazing ingredient, the best is retinol. If you suffer from sensitive skin and redness, I would recommend you use something that has niacinamide. If you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or an uneven skin tone, I recommend you use vitamin C or other brightening ingredients, for example kojic acid, arbutin, and but I will stick with vitamin C for now, or its derivatives like sodium ascorbyl phosphate and magnesium ascorbyl phosphate. I'm making this like super simple for you, something that you can just walk into a store right now, check the ingredients, read the list, see if you can find what I just mentioned and buy the products. Moving on, dehydrated skin, look for something with hyaluronic acid. Dehydrated skin means skin that lacks vitality, that's dull and on the grayish side of color, I guess. And so it's also skin that looks very thin, okay, that needs to be plumped up. So get more water and use hyaluronic acid. If you have dry skin, you feel like your skin is tight and you see that some is flaking off a little bit, then use just get a good moisturizer. A good moisturizer, I still believe that the Nivea cream is an excellent moisturizer, so if you really don't know what to buy, get that. Of course there are moisturizers that are equally good and also more expensive. I do sell a moisturizer if you are interested. I think this basically covers all the most common skincare issues, and of course I hope this video was helpful. If it was, remember to like the video because it really helps my work, and I'll see you in the next one.